Hola, I am Ronit
And I am Rohan.
and we are the student of Willingham Institute of Management Mumbai and we are working on an exciting project about Ola versus Uber and how Ola made its bold move into electric vehicle.
We will break down how this local company took on global giant and what lessons can we learn from their EV pivot, and let's dive in.
Two giants, one battlefield. The Indian ride-hailing market. While Uber fought with global power, Ola fought with local smart. But just when battle peaked, a new wave came, electric mobility. Today, we uncover how Ola defended its crown and dared to reinvent itself for the EV era.
Ola wasn't just fighting Uber for survival. In 2017, India's government pushed for 80 million electric vehicles by 2030. Opportunity? Yes. Threat? Also yes. Ola had to defend its rear-hailing dominance and jump into electric vehicles, a risky pivot into manufacturing.
Founded in 2010, Ola grew faster than anyone imagined. From cabs to auto rickshaws to bike taxis, by 2016, Ola operated in over 100 Indian cities, far ahead from Uber's 30. So it localized cash payment, multiple languages, affordable auto rides, things Uber didn't offer. But this growth wasn't cheap. Ola and Uber burned billions of subsidies, offering cheap rides, driver bonuses. At its peak, Ola was booking over 150,000 bookings a day.
Ola used smart strategy. Think of BCG matrix. Its ride-hailing business was cash cow, stable, profitable, and leader in market share. Ola Electric, a high growth bet, a potential star. How did Ola defend its taxis? By localizing auto rickshaws rides since 2014, bike taxis in 2016, cash and wallet payments, and also safety features and driver verification. How did Ola enter into EV space? By going big and really big.
In 2017, Ola created Ola Electric to design and build electric scooters. In 2021, it unveiled the world's largest two-wheelers plant, the Future Factory. Target 10 million scooters in a year. And the launch day was insane. Over 1 lakh bookings in just 24 hours at just 499 each. Ola Electric became India's number one e-scooter brand by 2024 and grabbing nearly 40% market share.
But making scooters isn't like running an app. Manufacturing is brutal. Ola faced major challenges like delivery delays, quality complaints like batteries, chargers, and after-sales services. Over 10,000 customers complaints in a year. By 2025, investors' confidence dropped. Hyundai and Kia even sold their stakes, and also Ola Electric stock fell nearly by 50% below IPO price.
So where does Ola stand? Let's talk about ride hailing. Still leader in India and profitable in 2024 after cost cuts. Second, electric scooters. Massive booking and market share but battling with quality and financial struggle. Ola showed bold vision but also learned how hard it is to pivot from software to manufacturing.
What can entrepreneurs learn? Localize your strategy. Ola beat Uber by understanding India better. Use your strengths. Ola used taxi profits to fund EV expansion. Execution is everything. Big vision fails without quality and service. Pivots are risky. Moving industries means starting from zero.
Ola dared to dream big.
It defended one market and entered another,
Will Ola Electric rise again?
or remain cautionary tale.
Tell us your thoughts in the comment section.
And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more business breakdowns.
Thank you.